Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to make this simple waffle at home. So these are the required ingredients. We need a waffle which you will get easily from supermarket, and any flavored ice cream, and a mango juice, and dry fruits of your choice. You can use any chocolate syrup or strawberry syrup, which is completely optional. Do try this recipe to break the summer heat. Or you can try the other simple one. Just spread some mango juice and top it with dry fruits. I have used badam and pista, and spread some syrup. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.